Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today we're going to discuss the trades that I have took today. As you can see, my overall profit has increased to 31,000 now, and this was around 13,000 yesterday. It has gained this much today, and I've also booked some profit and some losses. We're going to discuss what trades that I took today, and maybe it will help you learn options trading. All right. Let me talk about my first position, which was in Nifty. Right now, if you see, it would not show you my exact strategy right now. But we implemented a bear call spread, which is that we sell an out of the money call option, and to cover the risk, we buy and further out of the money call option. Now, because the option that we have sold would be of higher premium, we collect a premium and then we pay a premium to buy the further out of the money option, eventually resulting in a net credit to our account, right? So I took this position some time back, wherein my view was that Nifty would either be in a neutral or would be in a downtrend. I've closed that position today, seeing that the difference now was very less, and the time was still for around 1 week. So I did not find too much value in what was left, so I exited that position. Uh, Nothing much to be talked here. I still have an open bank nifty position where I've just sold a simple call. Now the call position is at quite a difference. If you see this chart, uh, see if my selling position is almost 3 standard deviation distance away from the current market price. When I sold, it was around two and a half, and it has fallen down a bit, and still it has given me some time decay, right? So I'm just going to stick with this because I still have a few like 4,000 more left. Probably if I earn more, like 2 or 3,000 more, I may exit this position right then, because this position is for August end. I might not want to hold it for too long if I'm getting a good amount of my maximum profit early uh, in the month. Right. Now let's talk about the uh, strategy I had for Dabur. My view was actually bullish on Dabur. I initially sold a 500 put option, and it was priced at around I think 1.8 or something of that sort. My view was bullish because the market trends showed that the FMCG sector was in a bullish sector. So let's see the FMCG sector. This is the Nifty FMCG sector. My view was bearish at somewhere around this point. Right. I did not see that, because like it was going in an uptrend. From here, see, it made a bottom low, then it made a higher high, a higher low, higher high, and then it made a further higher high. Even at the bottom here, it did not cross or breach this point, so I was still bullish, and probably somewhere here, maybe I think I took a position that the FMCG sector might rise, and so would the Dabur stock. And but here, if you see, it kind of made a double top pattern here, right? It did not breach the highs of this previous high, and of signaling that this might just result in a downtrend from now, although it's not confirmed yet, but now it has become a little riskier option. Also, if you see the price chart of Dabur, it was also actually going in a uptrend, right? Right now here it's in a very tricky position. Why? Because it has not shown any signs of going into a downtrend yet. Like, this is a crucial position. The prices might just go up, or it may start forming a downtrend and might go down. So it was a risky position, so I exited my 500 PE option particularly because now it has come very close. Like the current market price has now like 514, and my option was 500. Any further downward movement in this stock would have given me substantial loss there within. So I exited the position at around 3.3, 3.4, and probably, uh, I think that resulted in a good decision, because then it all moved 1 point up, which would have mean another some amount of loss. Like I had 5,000 quantity, so another 5,000 rupees loss I would have incurred, but I exited this position sooner. Right. I also exited my 550 call option, which I took as a safety. Right. I exited both of these positions, and I'm now kind of bearish on the stock, specifically because the FMCG sector was going down. So I have sold 540 call option as of now, and if you see, it is also at around 2 standard deviation away from my current market price. Right, I sold at 310. It kind of moved down further a little bit, giving me a 2.5k profit, notional profit as of now, but we never know what happens next. All right, I still have an open position in DLF. Uh, Again, I'm bearish on the stock. Like again, the sector is going down. Let's just have a quick check on the Nifty realty sector. As we can see, it's actually going in a downward trend. We never know when it bounces back. But so far, I'm still bearish. I initially sold a 860 call option, which I booked some profit a few days back, and then I reinitiated my position on an 840 call option. So it's still giving me like a 6,000 notional profit. The other position I have open is Godrej Property, again, a stock from the same sector. I'm bearish for the reason I just told. I sold a 2300 call option. If I see the position, it's almost around between 2.5 to 3 standard deviations away, giving me enough safety to wait till the expiry. Although I might exit these positions as and when I'm getting closer to my max profit, and I'm seeing that okay, I've earned enough. Then the other stock I have sold is the HCL Tech. Again, the sector is in a downward trend, so I've also sold like a 1560 call option. If I see this, it's also between 2 and 3 standard deviations away. I have enough safety here, so I have not bought any uh, risk covering uh, call option to cover my risk. So I'll just wait and watch how the sector performs, or how the stock performs. The next I have is JSW Steel. It's kind of going on a neutral pace for quite some time after its quarterly results. Uh, so I initially sold off 1140 call option, but seeing that the prices were little going up a little, and it was staying almost neutral for some time. Maybe we can see its chart. I took this position a few days back, probably somewhere around here, and then I saw it, gained something, dropped, gained, and then it's almost to its same position. So I kind of sold a call option, assessing that it might not breach this resistance level as of now. But I realized that maybe I can have a better cover for my position. So I also sold a 950 put option, making it a strangle. And if I analyze this position, I can see that I am well within almost 3 standard deviations on the put side, and almost 2.5 standard deviations on the call side. So I'm a little safe here. And so I've covered my risk a little bit, and that's why it's giving me like a 6,800 profit combined from both of these positions, right? And that's it. I think in overall, these positions have gained a lot. It's giving me 31,000 notional profit at the moment, of which I've booked 1761. Like some position I've closed in Dabur, which was eventually like it gave me a net loss of 4,000 because the market view kind of changed from its sector. And I also sold off my positions in Nifty, which was giving me around 6,000 profit because I was not getting too much for the remainder of the time. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you were able to learn something from my positions. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.